In a forgotten village where rains hadn't come for years, the ground cracked under the weight of hopelessness. Cattle perished and people migrated in search of water. But amid despair, a 10-year-old boy named Arav remained. One night, Arav heard his grandmother tell the story of how trees once covered the village, attracting clouds and bird song. That night, he had a dream, a lush green village filled with light. He decided to bring it back. With determination in his heart, Arav saved a few drops of water left in their house and planted a single sapling outside his hut. He whispered, "Grow strong and bring the rain." The villagers mocked him. One tree won't change anything this far. But Arav didn't stop. Every day after school, he planted another tree using wastewater and kitchen leftovers. Months passed. Some saplings died, but others held on. Birds returned, perching on the growing branches. The air felt cooler near Arav's garden. A quiet transformation had begun. The village chief visited Arav's keys and touched a leaf with reverence. "Maybe we were wrong," he murmured. The next day, neighbors offered help, bringing seeds, compost, and encouragement. With collective effort, the dusty paths turned into green corridors. The soil grew moist. After 3 years, the monsoon returned. Rain kissed the earth, and the village blew. News spread beyond the village. Arav was invited to speak at environmental forums. He said, "Hope is like a seed. You plant it, nurture it, and one day it changes everything." Years later, a little girl approached Arav with a sapling. "I want to plant hope too," she said. Arav smiled, knowing the roots of change now ran deep. Sometimes the smallest seed carries the weight of the biggest dreams. Be like Arav, plant hope, one tree at a time. Moral of the story is, even the smallest action begun by hope and persistence can spark powerful change. Like Arav, we all have the power to transform the world around us. One small step, one act of kindness, one planted seed at a time. Never underestimate the impact of consistent effort to help Dili. Here 10 difficult words with their meanings to learn and improve English. Dot reader. Affected by a prolonged period of dry weather causing water shortage. Withered, shrunken or dried up due to lack of moisture or neglect. Sapling. A young tree, especially one with a slender trunk. Relentless. Continuing without becoming weaker, persistent and determined. Desolation. A state of emptiness, ruin, or misery, especially in a lack state. Sustenance, something that provides nourishment or support, often food or resources. Rejuvenate, to restore to a more youthful, fresh, or original state. Tenacity, the quality of being very determined and not giving up easily. Transformation, a complete and major change in someone or something. Resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties or adapt in adversity. For more such stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.